Thank you for participating in the Farmer School of Business International Advising and Registration. This presentation will provide you with an overview of academics at Miami University and the information you need to prepare for registering for classes. You must complete 128 credit hours to graduate from Miami University. Most classes are 3 credit hours, and most students complete all requirements within 4 years at Miami. These 128 credit hours consist of Global Miami Plan requirements, divisional requirements, and major requirements. Students must have a minimum of a 2.0 GPA to be eligible to graduate from the Farmer School of Business. The following chart demonstrates when students typically complete these various requirements. Students generally complete Global Miami Plan and Business Core requirements in their first and sophomore years. In their junior and senior years, students typically take coursework for their major, thematic sequence, and capstone requirements. This chart portrays the 3 components required for a business degree: Global Miami Plan, Business Core, and major requirements. The base of the triangle indicates foundational requirements like the Global Miami Plan, while the tip of the triangle indicates more advanced requirements like major requirements. We will now discuss the Global Miami Plan requirements. All Miami students complete the Global Miami Plan. The Global Miami Plan includes courses that help you develop mental agility and problem-solving ability to think for yourself and adapt to a changing world. A well-rounded education can help you explore a wide range of subjects and perhaps discover new interests and career possibilities. The Global Miami Plan includes 5 foundations, each of which has at least one required course, which we will explain further. The foundations are English Composition, Fine Arts, Humanities, and Social Science, Global Perspectives, Natural Science, and Math, Formal Reasoning, and Technology. Foundation 1 is English Composition. This requires courses English 109 or English 111. As a result of the Miami University English Placement Test, you may need to take a preparatory English course prior to the required English 109 or English 111 course. Foundation 2 includes 3 areas: Creative Arts, Humanities, and Social Science. The Social Science requirement is fulfilled by Economics 201, which is a required business course that you will take. You will have some choice for which courses you want to take to satisfy the Creative Arts and Humanities requirements. Foundation 3 is Global Perspectives. Many students choose to satisfy this requirement by studying abroad to a country outside of the United States for a term. It can alternatively be satisfied with 6 credit hours of global courses. As an international student, you are already studying abroad by studying at Miami, so you can satisfy this requirement with 2 Global Miami Plan courses that are not being used to satisfy a different requirement. Foundation 4 is the Natural Sciences. This includes a biological science course, a physical science course, and a lab. You will have choice of which science courses you wish to take to satisfy these requirements. Foundation 5 is satisfied by completing Math 151, which is Calculus 1, and is required for the Farmer School of Business. The Global Miami Plan includes a few other components. One is Intercultural Perspectives. This is a course that is primarily U.S. diversity content-based and is often taken in the first year. Many Intercultural Perspectives courses also overlap with the FSB diversity requirement, so you may be able to take one course that would satisfy both requirements. Advanced Liberal Learning is the final area of the Global Miami Plan and includes requirements that you will likely not work on until the final 2 years of your academics at Miami. If you have any advanced placement or AP, post-secondary, college credit plus, or other transfer credits, please be sure to share this information with your academic advisor. If you have taken college-level coursework, it is important that you send your transcripts to Miami's One Stop. We will now discuss the Business Core curriculum in the Farmer School of Business. The Business Core consists of basic courses in accounting, business communication, business law, economics, finance, information systems, management and leadership, marketing, operations and supply chain management, statistics, and calculus. The Business Core requirements apply to all business majors. You are likely to take a number of Business Core courses in your first year at Miami. These include Business Computing, a Business Diversity course, Calculus, Introduction to Business Statistics, and the Business Quotient, which consists of 4 introductory business courses. There are a number of required courses in the Business Core: Financial Accounting and Managerial Accounting, Microeconomics and Macroeconomics, Information Systems and Analytics, Introduction to Management and Leadership, Principles of Marketing, Business Legal Studies, Advanced Business Communication, Introduction to Business Finance, Introduction to Operations and Supply Chain Management, and lastly, during your final year at Miami, you will have a choice of courses that fulfill the capstone requirement in the Business Core. We will now discuss the majors available in the Farmer School of Business. Students can declare a major at any time, but must have a major declared by the end of their second year. There are 8 majors and 2 co-majors in Farmer School of Business. These majors are Accountancy, Business Economics, Finance, Information Systems and Analytics, Interdisciplinary Business Management, Management and Leadership, Marketing, and Supply Chain and Operations Management. An Analytics co-major and Entrepreneurship co-major are also available. These co-majors must be paired with another major. There are 12 minors available to business students. These minors are Accountancy, Arts Management, Business Analytics, Business Legal Studies, Economics, Entrepreneurship, Information Systems, International Business, Management and Leadership, Management of Information Technologies, Marketing, and Supply Chain Management. Students may enroll in a maximum of 2 business minors. Some minors are available to students on a first-come, first-served basis, while others have entry restrictions or requirements. Therefore, interested students should speak with their academic advisors. This concludes the Academic Overview screencast. Thank you for participating.